What's up, guys? It's Ryan here for Gasholez. Sorry about the fogged up lens, but it's currently 5:24 a.m. We're gonna head out from my house over to Fort Devens for some autocross today. Autocross number 2. So let's get it.
Think that I'm a freak when I'm talking to myself, but it's like I was too weak to be someone else. Could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing all alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own. When I fall, start again. When I feel like I'm just dead, and when I crawl, it comes again.
So this is going to be the first run here. I did not get a chance to actually drive the course before we started running because I was running the front gate, so I couldn't do that. But the only info that I got was from Ryan, and he told me that it was a way more difficult course than last time, and he was not wrong. So here we go, first lap, DNF'd it. Yeah, DNF'd it, so that tells you everything. But starting off, it's kind of the same setup as before. Kind of swooping right-hander a little bit. Come around, and this is where it starts to change a little bit. This turns into a pretty sharp right-hander, but if you brake right, it widens up nicely. Come out way wider around near the tower than you used to on the last course, and then you start to tighten up here a little bit more again. Come through. The first section was not too bad. It's definitely something you could get a nice line in and actually widen everything up and get some decent speed through, but the back section after the slaloms is where it starts to get tricky. Nice slalom, a little bit tighter than last time, definitely. Having to work the wheel pretty good. That was my DNF, didn't go through the cones, don't know what I was thinking there. But here's the next slalom, not too bad, same thing as last time. Come around, get some speed up, slow down quite a bit to make that one. This is where it starts to get a little bit tricky right past here, coming through the gate. Hit the brakes when you get some speed up. You gotta hit the brakes pretty hard to rotate the car to get enough around. And then obviously the hairpin that's always here, a little bit sideways. Those new Michelin rear tires. Around, and this is the tight part. Gotta slam on the brakes here to make this cone, and if you don't make that, it screws you up real bad. You're doing 25 miles an hour through the rest of the course. So that's the first lap. Definitely knew it was gonna be a tricky one from here, so we'll see how I did. Alright, lap 2. So this time I had Sam in the car. Kind of knew it was gonna be a throwaway again. It was just kind of learning the tires was my main goal here. So we're going to go through and kind of, not the fastest lap, wasn't really going for any records, but I wanted to feel out the tires and see where they gripped and where they lost grip. So you'll see me playing around a little bit, getting a little sideways, and just kind of feeling where the edge of grip was. first lap I did not do good, didn't brake hard enough to come around pretty good, and ruin the line there. Yeah, that was not a fun one. Alright, so run 3 here. Nice little Alfa Romeo going off there. That thing sounded insane. But yeah, run 3 here. I decided to pick up the pace definitely and kind of build the line together. I was a little more confident after that second run in where I was going, so I was able to pick up the pace there, kind of know where the edge of grip was, and find my line. So you definitely see this one's quite a bit quicker. I did get thrown off once, and I think I hit a cone at one point too, coming around the back there. So yeah. Speed through the slalom. Like I said, it was a lot tighter, so it could catch you out pretty quickly. Coming out wide here, coming around the corner, back into the fast slalom. Easily catch yourself out here with a little rear end action, stabbing the throttle a little too aggressive. These nice swooping corners here. Brake for this thing, kind of get the car to rotate in a little bit better. And the fast part coming back to the hairpin corner. A little more under control this time, but a little bit slow. Definitely need to hit the brakes harder and gas out quicker. And here's that hairpin one that's really hard. I believe that's where I hit the cone, just trying to cut in. But overall, not a terrible looking lap. Just need to clean it up a bit and pick up the pace. Alright guys, so this was a treat here. There was a bright yellow Porsche GT4 at this event, and I went up, asked the guy for a ride. He said, all good, hop in. So just watch this and enjoy. That was amazing, and even more amazing from the passenger seat.
The tires are pretty good.
But either way, the chassis, I mean, you were doing some stuff there I couldn't believe you could just throw it in and it kept.
Balance, right?
Oh my god,
Once
yeah.
you get the car balanced, it's like magic.
That is insane. That was so neutral. I've never, like, I haven't owned many cars, and I've never taken them, most of them, to the limit, but I finally know what they mean by it's neutral.
Oh yeah.
Just from that.
Oh yeah.
That was awesome.
You can see that.
Get another run out of it.
You're better and I'm up.
Never buying your subway again.
Shit.
Alright, so unfortunately after that Cayman ride, I put my helmet down and the GoPro got twisted downward. I am so freaking pissed off about this, but every footage from here on out was pretty terrible. So I figured I'd just show you the last two here where I finally broke down from an 89 into the 88s. It was actually right after Ethan and Natalie got there, and I started to give them rides. So last couple runs, you'll see my best one again was my last run. I ended up getting an 88.51, which was a little better than I thought I would get, but still I felt like there was more in the car. I felt pretty frustrated after this day. But yeah, first run here is going to be with Ethan. There he is saying hi. And yeah, you'll see it's terrible camera angle, but I was starting to put my line together a little bit better, getting a little more aggressive. And I got this one down to an 88.6. So yeah, watch. Last lap again, got my best time in, which is alright, but I wish I could have got it a little bit sooner and improved on it. But yeah, this is going to be an 88.51, good enough for 4th in the novice class. So yeah, here it is, last lap of the day.